Hello, welcome to Unit 7, Lesson 2. In this lesson, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the concept of transposing, which is more of a music theory concept than anything, but I think it's a really important concept as a guitar player, and so I want you to understand what that means, because you'll hear that term a lot, transposing. Or you might hear a singer say, I sing it in a different key, or a musician ask, what key are you playing in? And the sort of quick definition of a key is it's a collection of 7 notes. And the 7 notes are arranged to form the chords in the key. And so in the last lesson we learned that the chords in the key of D, the 1 chord was D, the 4 chord was G, the 5 chord was A, and the 5-7 chord was A7. If you remember way back in the beginning of the book when we learned the key of G, the chords there, we use the same terminology, 1, 4, and 5, and 5-7, but the chords were assigned different Roman numeral designations. So on the key of G, the G chord is the 1, and the C chord is the 4, and the D chord is the 5, and the D7 is the 5-7 in the key of G. And so I'll remind you again, the way we get to those numbers is if we start on G and we count G is 1, A, B, C is the 4, and D is the 5. If I'm starting on the key of D, I start with D is the 1, E, F, G is the 4, and A is the 5. So that's how we can have everything is still 1, 4, and 5, only we have different letter names assigned to it based on where we're starting. And my favorite sort of snarky way of saying that is it's the same, only different. So the question is, well, why would we do the same, only different? And the main reason is for your vocal range. But it could also be to accommodate different instruments you're playing with. It could be for a variety of reasons that we might choose to play something in a different key. I've chosen the song Hot Cross Buns, not because I think it's the greatest song in the world, but because I know many of you have played it on recorder forever, and of course all of you have played it in the first song of the book. And so I like to start with what we already know, so you can see you're not having to worry about a new song, you can just understand the concept. So first I'm going to play Hot Cross Buns in the key of G, and I'm going to attempt to sing it. We'll see how we do here, because I'm not sure if it's a good key for me to sing it in, but it doesn't really matter. If it's not, then when I transpose it to a new key, maybe it'll be better. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now I'm going to sing it in the key of D, and that's going to be much easier for my vocal range. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Clearly, you could tell it's hot cross buns no matter what key I play it in, so it's the same, only different. And that's why I use that term, and I think it's pretty effective. So go ahead and learn to play Hot Cross Buns in the new key of D, just for the sake of humoring me, if nothing else, and try singing it in either key and see which key works better for you. If you're a boy or a girl, it might make a difference as to which key works better or whether your voice is high or low. So, try it and see. You make a decision. There's no right or wrong here. We play songs in lots of keys, and in fact, we will play Hot Cross Buns a number of times throughout this book in different keys so that we're always demonstrating the same concept with the same song. Okay, practice, and we'll see you at Lesson 3.